Hey, I'm Cam Day. Welcome to the channel and to today's video. As always, it is truly a pleasure to have you here. I hope you're doing all right and I hope you're ready. Buckle up because today is going to be a lightning speed round of my top favorite Ilia Beauty products that I will repurchase again and again. No questions asked. It's empty. I have a new one on hand. It's just how it works, because of how good these products are. Now, if you're looking for more of an in-depth review, maybe more tutorial, demonstration type stuff, don't worry, I got you, but it's just not going to be in today's video. If you've actually found me through previous Ilia videos, I'm so happy to have you back. Welcome and thank you. I will have them all linked in the description below. I have, again, much more in-depth demonstrations, reviews, things like that, to give you a little bit more detail if that's what you're looking for. But just know this is, probably almost 2 years after those videos have been made, and I'm still ranting and raving about these products because I just love them. They're so good. This is what I go to and go for on a very regular basis. This is my 5-minute face. This is what I need barely any tools for. So this will be great if you're looking for something similar. Something to use every day. Something that is just going to be easy. It's user friendly, but you can feel good about the quality of the products. You can feel good about the quality of the ingredients and just feel good about the way that it makes you feel, because that's a no-brainer. They're just so good. So this is just going to be me co-signing these products and showing you how empty a lot of them are, because that's just the way that it is. So without further ado, let's just get into the quick lightning speed round of what you need to buy from Ilia and what I'm already about to repurchase. First things first, Super Serum Skin Tint. Try saying that 5 times fast. I've said a lot about this in a previous video, so I will try and rein it in. I will say I prefer to use this in the colder months because I get really shiny and oily and use a lot of sunscreen in the winter, and this is very, very dewy, but the coverage is amazing. It does dry down a little bit, but powder will definitely be your friend. Love it. Buying another one. Next up, and a real one, is the multi-stick. I have mine in the shade Ladybird. It is concave at this point because I've already used it all up. I use the end of a brush to scrape out the rest and apply it to my hand, use a brush, and then put it on my face because that's how much I love this. I will use it until I can't use it anymore, and then I'm going to go get like 5 new shades because the shade range is beautiful. I love the texture, the pigment is perfect. Instant repurchase. For the eyes, this is their liquid powder chromatic eye tint in the shade Fresco. The shade is perfect. It's buildable, so you can sheer it out. You can make it a little bit more opaque if you like. Easy to use with fingers, and most importantly, I have really oily eyelids and I need to use a primer with almost anything that I put on my eyes, except for with this. It lasts all day. It's easy to use. I've already said it, but it's so true. Repurchasing. Lastly, and my first ever love from Ilia Beauty, and this is probably my 5th tube, maybe 6th, this is their Limitless Lash Mascara. Especially with mascara as like one of my #1 like newly tried makeup products. Like once I'm done with one, I'll try another one just because I'm always on the hunt. I will always come back to her. She is an always and forever girl for me. And hopefully she is for you too. That is it. There you have it. Those are my favorites and I'm sticking to it. If you have any questions about the products, if you want to know about different shades, if you have questions about, like application, whether it's good to use your fingers or a tool or something like that, I am so happy to talk to you about that in the comments. So feel free to chat with me down there. Again, check out any of my previous videos if you're looking for just any additional information about anything that I shared. I could talk about it till I'm blue in the face, so that's why I have to cut myself off now and keep it short and sweet and for you. Hopefully this helps you in your purchasing journey. That's what I am here for. I will always have a link to Ilia down in the description as well, so that you can just instantly go to the website and check out some of the things that you have seen today, because they are that good. So with all that said, thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day whenever you're watching this, wherever you are. Just know that you are amazing, deserve to feel amazing, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. All right. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.